What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. As you can see by the title of this video, I did my first $30,000 day. Stripes only showing 24,000, but on we had to use PayPal for a client because Stripe was blocking their payments, so we had to use PayPal, et cetera, et cetera. But so I guess you can only take my word for that. But you can see here I did $24,000 in my business, and I'm not making this video to show off, boast, or anything like that, but to really show the journey. Right? It wasn't always like this, guys. I didn't just build my agency and start doing hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. Right? And I really wanted to reflect on this and also look back on this video, 1, 2, 3, 4 years down the road for myself, because on October 11th, 2022, so exactly 2 years ago, guys, I signed my first client for $1,500. Right. And I was so nervous, right? Because I onboarded this client. My heart was beating out of my chest on the onboarding call. I didn't know how to get access to her Facebook ads manager. I'm like going on YouTube on my phone, trying to figure it out, excuse me. I was so nervous. We ended up getting past it, right? And it's just funny looking back at the journey from days where, I'm fully removed from the agency to the first day where my heart was beating out of my chest trying to onboard this client, right? So it's really funny how, life works. And I really wanted to showcase another thing because after I signed my first client in October 2022, I worked 10 hours a day on my agency, just busting my ass, going through, a lot of limiting beliefs about myself and really just trying to grow this agency and trying to grow myself. And a year later, from October 22 to October 2023, exactly in October 2023, it's October 2024 right now, but in 2023, I had $1,781.24 in my bank account. After working 10 hours a day on my business, I had a complete mental breakdown, right? How can I be working 10 hours a day on my business every single day to have $1,700 in my bank account a year later? I mean, I just had a complete mental breakdown, nervous breakdown. I was bawling my eyes out. I was pissed off. I was punching walls. I mean, I just lost it, guys. I just absolutely lost it. I even like it sounds like it felt like someone controlled. I felt like someone took like a part of my body. I was so angry and so sad and just wow, how could this be happening? Right. And then, a couple hours later after that, the next day, I was just like, man, fuck that. I'm going to stop feeling sorry for myself. And I don't even know what triggered it, but it was really, I guess, just God being by my side and putting me through all these obstacles, challenges and obstacles, adversity to build the person that I wanted to become. That I needed to go through those things for a year and eat absolute dog shit. And I just decided to get back on the horse and keep grinding. And I was like, man, fuck that. I cold called my way through. I did hundreds of dollars every single day, booked myself appointments, closed my appointments, closed people over the phone, over cold calling, because I didn't have another choice. It was survival at this point. I was like, how am I going to live? I can't get another job, you know? And it's just funny, man. Something just like, sparked inside me. And it's really just a message to see, like, if you are eating shit right now in the agency, right? And you feel like quitting, or you feel like, the agency sucked, this and that, I promise you, it's going to change. It's not always going to be like this, guys. Your life can change in a snap, right? And the three things that I wanted to touch on in this video, the three things that allowed me to have the mindset to build my business, the three, I don't even know what you want to call it, but three learning lessons I learned that I always carry till this day is: one, letting go of all outcomes and knowing great things are coming to me, right? Building without expectation. Let go of, like, I will hit, $10,000 in 2 months or whatever, right? I wrote down for a year straight, guys, I will easily make $10,000 by June 19th, 2023. I didn't even hit that goal. I didn't even come close to that goal. Like, not even close. And it broke me during that time too, right? But yeah, I learned that through various videos in quantum physics and and all of that, right? So one, just let go of all outcomes, guys. Build without expectation, knowing great things are coming to you. Say that every single day to yourself. Two, be grateful for everything, right? Pray to God and let God know that you're grateful for everything. You're able to walk, you're able to see, you're able to hear, You're able to, your family's alive, you're healthy, be grateful, right? And then three, know right now, guys, you are living the best life, your dream life that you've always wanted to achieve right now in this very moment, right? You are healthy, you can walk, you can see. And if you can keep those three things, guys, and have that positive mindset and know great things are coming to you, know you're grateful, and know that, that you're living your dream life, things are going to come to you, right? Stop trying to chase this number, this fantasy number, and thinking it's going to come and all of this, right? Just know great things are coming to you, right? So I really just wanted to touch on those three things, guys, and let you know that life can change at a snap. My life only started changing since January of 2024, right? I'm new to do all of this, right? And I've just been on this upward trajectory. It's not always going to be on this upward trajectory, and I know that's not going to happen, right? And it's funny because I carried those three things, and yesterday I lost my biggest client, right? He buys 11 leads a day from us at $75 a piece every single day of the week. So you can do the numbers. That client canceled due to money situations because the real estate market sucks, and he canceled. It happens, right? I knew that day was going to come, and it really broke me. This guy sent an email and wanted to part ways, and I just knew. I told myself everything happens for a reason. Great things are coming to me. Next day, I collected $30,000 in my business. We piffed some of our current clients and sold them, 100 lead packages, and now we're here today. So just know, guys, keep fucking working. Your life is going to change. Let go of all outcomes. Be grateful for everything you have. Know that you're living your dream life. That was my message. Not here to boast or show off or anything like that. And also for me to look back at these videos 5-10 years from now and just look at what I'm saying. So hopefully you guys got some value from that. I don't like to be that motivational guru type of guy, but yeah, that was it. Peace, guys.